infrastructure that is capable of driving massive development to any location is good road. Right now, I am standing on the road that leads to Legend Town Awka, and this road is currently under construction by the Anambra state government. This road leads from the Onitsha-Enugu Expressway straight through Awka to Isuanocha in Awka North local government. Now you can imagine what will happen to the prices of properties around this area once this road construction is completed. Currently, properties around here are already selling for 7 million naira per plot. But if you subscribe to Legend Town Awka right now, you'll be getting it at 5 million naira per plot. But in the next 9 days, it's going up to 6.5 million naira. So what you should do now is to pick up your phone and dial the number you're seeing right now on your screen and grab enough premium plots. Right?